Welcome back, my bots. I am really sorry for the video since it's little delayed from its schedule because I was renovating the Batcave.
What did you just said?
I mean, our Batcave. In the bustling Gotham City, where even the pigeons wear tiny Kevlar vests, lurks a silent menace, unknown to the average citizen. A villain so nefarious, so undetectable, it could bring the entire city to its knees with a single. Wait, hold on. Not the Joker, not Two-Face, but something far more sinister. Wi-Fi woes. That's right, folks. In today's tech-driven world, our internet connection can be our worst enemy. But fear not, citizens of Gotham, for there is a hero, a dark knight of the digital age, Wireshark. So let me move you to my screen for further explanation.
In the vast digital landscape, networks are the lifeblood of modern communication. But what happens when these networks misbehave? Enter Wireshark, the digital detective of the networking world. Wireshark is a powerful open-source tool that allows us to peek into the inner workings of our networks. It's like having X-ray vision for your internet connection. It's a packet analyzer, capturing and inspecting data in real time. Wireshark identifies network issues, security threats, and performance bottlenecks, essential for network administrators, security professionals, and tech enthusiasts. Let's dive into the world of packet analysis. Wireshark makes the invisible visible by capturing, inspecting, and analyzing data packets. One primary use is troubleshooting network issues, identifying bandwidth hogs, delays, or protocol errors. Security is another critical area where Wireshark shines, detecting malicious activity and aiding forensic investigations. It's an invaluable tool for network administrators and cybersecurity professionals. But Wireshark isn't just for professionals. It's also a great learning tool for anyone interested in networking. By examining packet captures, you can see firsthand how different protocols operate and how data is structured and transmitted. This hands-on experience is invaluable for students and aspiring IT professionals. When it comes to cybersecurity and network analysis, Kali Linux and Wireshark form a dynamic duo. Kali Linux, a Debian-based distribution, is designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Wireshark, with its powerful packet analysis capabilities, fits right into this ecosystem. The integration of Wireshark into Kali Linux is seamless, providing a stable and secure environment for accurate packet captures. Kali's command line interface allows for powerful scripting and automation, enhancing Wireshark's functionality. Combining Wireshark with other Kali tools like Nmap, Metasploit, or Aircrack Ping allows for comprehensive network assessments. Kali Linux's focus on security makes it an ideal platform for conducting sensitive network analysis. Installing Wireshark on Kali Linux is straightforward.
Sorry for breaking the fourth wall, but I am kinda Deadpool myself. You can see how to install Wireshark on Kali Linux in the video attached in the description.
Now that we have Wireshark installed, let's explore some of its key features. Wireshark captures live network traffic. Select the interface and start capturing packets. Its color coding system helps identify protocols. The filtering system is powerful. Wireshark excels at protocol analysis. Let's see Wireshark in action. Let's explore some practical applications of Wireshark in real-world scenarios. One common use case is troubleshooting slow network performance. By capturing traffic during periods of slowdown, you can identify bandwidth hogs. Wireshark is also invaluable for diagnosing connectivity issues. Capture the connection attempt to see exactly what's happening at the packet level. In the realm of security, Wireshark can help detect and analyze potential threats. Identify unusual network behavior that might indicate a malware infection or hacking attempt. Wireshark is also a powerful tool for network baselining and performance monitoring. Establish what normal looks like for your network and quickly identify deviations. This early detection can be crucial in preventing or mitigating security breaches. Wireshark is a versatile and powerful tool that plays a crucial role in modern cybersecurity. Its ability to capture and analyze network traffic in real time provides unparalleled insight into networks. Despite its powerful features, it remains user-friendly and approachable for beginners. In cybersecurity, Wireshark serves as both a defensive and offensive tool. Security professionals monitor networks for unusual activity, while ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities. As networks become more complex and cyber threats more sophisticated, tools like Wireshark become even more critical. The ability to analyze network traffic at a granular level is essential for maintaining network health and security. Mastering Wireshark is a valuable skill that will serve you well in the digital age.
So that's all for now, bots. Thanks to our Batman to peek into my video, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button with the bat ring.